Pinky Artists. Today, we're making a super cute Valentine's Day drawing filled with love and sweet messages. Join in, have fun, and don't forget to color with us at the end. Are you ready? Let's go! For even more creative fun, be sure to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you can locate it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Valentine's Day is celebrated all around the world. Did you know that over 36 million heart-shaped chocolates are sold each year? Do you like how we wrote Happy Valentine's Day? It looks so pretty, just like your drawings. Do you like giving cards to your friends and family? That's so kind of you. Which message do you like the most? Sending you love or love is sweet? The first Valentine's card was sent over 500 years ago. If you could get a Valentine's treat, would you pick chocolates, cupcakes, or lollipops? What's a song that makes you feel happy and full of love? Great choice! Are you enjoying drawing with me? I love drawing with you. Who would you love to give this drawing to? That's so sweet! Our Valentine's drawing is all finished. Doesn't it look adorable? Now it's time to bring it to life with color. Grab your favorite crayons, markers, or colored pencils and make it as bright and fun as you like. What's your favorite Valentine's color? Red, pink, purple, or maybe even rainbow. Pink and red are the most popular Valentine's colors because they symbolize love and kindness. People give over 1 billion Valentine's cards every year. Wow! The phrase "be mine" has been used for over 100 years. The world's biggest chocolate box weighed over 5,000 pounds. Hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. The heart shape we draw today wasn't always a symbol of love. People used to think it looked like a leaf. The oldest known Valentine message was written by a French duke in 1415 while he was in prison. Did you like the colors we used? So bright and happy. Just like you. Looks amazing. If you had fun, be sure to check out my kinky art coloring books on Amazon for even more cute and fun pictures to color. Thank you for drawing with me today. See you next time.